bafethu. Khathele fana. Khathele, and le video enangenza because it's the only opportunity I'm going to get for the next couple of days. Right. So I made a video on channel. Okay, I've registered a business. I'm starting a business, and I'll be doing welding. I'll be doing bricklaying. I'll be doing electrical installation, solar installation. Okay. Le epoxy. So you born now, but yeah, it's not my jam. Anyways, so I made a second video talking about Tuti, and after establishing your business, you're going to have to deal with building a customer base, a pipeline of savings. Okay. So what that looks like is you need to get my customers. Okay. That's one aspect of your business lab. And the next aspect is you need to build the infrastructure. You need to get amathuluzi okwenza lo msebenzi loyo. Okay. So like I said, I do as I say. I say what I do. Okay. So namhlanje we're going to do and then a bit of try in. What's the unboxing? Yeah. The kids. That's what the kids used to call it back in the day. Unboxing. So basically, ngizonikombisa ama-tools engiwathengile, introduce you all to what I'm working with. Okay. So I'm only having nearly daily so I can stay awake. I hope the audio Alana is going to be really good because can't be starting this again. Anyways, so studying when we start. Obvious. Shit. Ngitshela nama-prices akhona, ngikhombisa ama-products engizowasebenzisa bese ngitshela ama-prices akhona. If ukuthi ngisawakhumbula, it can't be out here looking for ama-invoice at nakhuzani 12 ebusuku. Right. First and foremost, boom. Tape measure. Oh, okay. Tape measure. Then ngiyithole kwa-Inco. Inco. I hope that's how they say it because yeah, Inco. Alright, so this is a 5 meter, and then ngiyithole, I think it was on special because bihamba nalokho. And what you have in here is distance detector laser. Okay, so the mpahla lena you point at udonga ngayo, and then it will give you its distance, distance between udonga nale light lena yayo. Okay, so ukwazi ukumeasure ngayo without ukuya odongweni lolu usuke umeasure usuka kulo. Okay, so basically lama tools oku2 enza umsebenzi owodwa. Le iyashesha basically ngoba nakho wena ayikho indaba ukuthi nami phambili kulo liyadonga loliyana ubeke clash kuyemuva na, you just uyakhomba nje bese izokutshela yona ukuthi ibanga usuka kulo liyadonga uzalana kuyona engakanani. Okay, very helpful tool. The combo lena I think okay 300. Yeah, it just made sense ukuthi ngidala ngithenge yona because uma uya ko builders le mpahla lena uzoyithola ngabo 150, like equality uzoyithola ngabo 150. Okay, so it makes sense ukuthi bedanisa uthatha nalokho because lokho uma uzohamba kuwodwa you are looking at omunye 300 rand. So uma usihamba ku2 boom, save imali. So measuring device lawa. All right, next. Boom. Lokhu kubizwa nge-clamp meter. I-clamp meter iyona into esiyisebenzisayo ukuze sukale amandla kagesi, i-amount kagesi, i-voltage, i-amperage, and then i-resistance siyikala ngalokho. Okay, lena ngiyithole kwa-Major Tech, company wakhandayo. Major Tech ulapha neKhonobi. Okay, so lana ngikhokhe I think it was around of to 1,500. Okay, 1,500 for the device lena, and lena inamba yakhona ngiyazi ukuthi MT713 lena yenza i-AC current ne-DC current. That's why ngihambe ngayofuna yona. Okay, so that's it for gesi. Next, this is my favorite part. Namhlanje ngaphenga lapha kwa-Inco futhi, but nasi skip pretty nice. Ngiyabonga bafethu. Sizonje khombisa ukuthi yini ebengayithenga. Let's try that. Right, circular saw. Circular saw ngiyithenge because obvious the most versatile material ekhona esisebenzisa kwa construction, welding, gesi. One of the most versatile materials, iplanga. So this is a cutting device, and bengayivula ukuyivula yazi kade ithenga namhlanje. Oh snap. Circular saw. Okay, so yokusika amaplanga basically. Right, lena kuthiwa yini, cordless, so isebenza nge-battery. Now one of the reasons why ngithenge le shandisi le yakwa-Inco is because ama-products akwa-Inco asebenzisa ama-battery afanayo. Okay, so i-battery yala iyangena kwi-drill yakhona, iyangena kwi-rotary hammer yakhona iyangena iziphi ezinye izinto, iyangena kwi-driver yakhona, i-screw driver yakhona, iyangena into le hammer bese ngiyibalile. Yeah, so mawubuka lana ezansi bathi they have 580 tools, and only lama tools lawa asebenzisa ama-battery afanayo. Okay, so circular saw aside. Next. Okay, now isakhiwo so ngiyithenge ingenayo battery. Okay, why? Because angithenge le grinder le ezohamba ne-battery, and i-battery yalana, i-battery ne-charger yala iyasebenzisana neyala kombisi inkho kokubili. So i-battery yalana iyasebenza nala. So next, ayesivule. Never done i-unboxing before. Ngicabanga ukuthi ama-unboxing videos asenziwa already. Back in the day, Babins. Oh yes. Okay. So my disc, my cutting disc. Oh, what is this? 5. Crazy. Siyabonga ink. Next. Okay, you got your corner then. Head your corner then. Charger. Okay. Then battery. Let's check ukuthi sebenza ingenelana ngempela. No. Oh. Okay. So nansi ilento lena i-grinder yakhona. Let's see. Boom. Alright. Keep it. So ngalana we saw. Come on, son. Boom. Okay, so confirmed. Battery. My battery angenelana. Sebenza yonke indawo. Okay. So i-battery yalana is 4 hours. So basically, you can use this for 4 hours. If you would say I'm wrong, write me in the comments. Okay, bese kuba i-charger phela obviously lento lena mele i-charge. Okay, so next. So kuyahlala ngakho lokho. Right. Okay. What's next? Oh, yeah. Nothing anything really. Again, inko. I'm a screwdriver con. Okay. So the screwdriver lawa they are good for ilento lena. Wenza ugesi because insimbi yakhona imbozwe ngeplastic. Okay. So less chances of ukuthi ngishawe ugesi. All right. That cost me about it was 250, something like that. Bese i-drill ngiyithole ngo 800. I would my invoice. So again, I think it was like it was 1,000, and then the circular saw was about 1,000 then. Lower thousands. I think I literally had nothing to put on the background, so I put on this picture here. Anyways, a couple of days ago. But anyways, guys, thank you for listening to the video. Then, if you would say nothing usizo in finding indawo zokuthenga amathuluzi, finding indawo zokuthenga ama-material, hit me up, send me a message on the DMs. We'll try to hook you up. Mangabe you umuntu who sells ilento enamathuluzi, get into my DMs. I'll connect you to abantu who need to be connected to lezi zinto ezoyidayisayo. So otherwise, guys, let's have a good one. Stay safe out there.